The hardest part about cleaning isn't the physical work, it's looking at the mess and figuring out where to actually start.
Yeah, I usually just stare at it for 10 minutes and then sit back down.
Start speaking with me now. I stand in the middle of the living room.
I stand in the middle of the living room.
There are things everywhere.
There are things everywhere.
Just follow the rhythm. Clothes on the chair.
Clothes on the chair.
Shoes on the floor.
Shoes on the floor.
A coffee cup on the table.
A coffee cup on the table.
Something is shifting. Let the sentence expand. I pick up the clothes first.
I pick up the clothes first.
I toss them into the laundry basket.
I toss them into the laundry basket.
I need to do a load of laundry today.
I need to do a load of laundry today.
I separate the whites from the colors.
I separate the whites from the colors.
You're getting faster. Don't stop. I put the dark clothes in the washing machine.
I put the dark clothes in the washing machine.
I pour in a cap of liquid detergent.
I pour in a cap of liquid detergent.
I close the lid and press the start button.
I close the lid and press the start button.
The machine hums to life.
The machine hums to life.
That sounded smoother. Now move to the kitchen. The sink is completely full of dirty dishes.
The sink is completely full of dirty dishes.
My roommate walks into the room.
My roommate walks into the room.
Hey, are you doing the dishes now?
Hey, are you doing the dishes now?
Did you notice that? The conversation is flowing. Keep it up. Yeah, I'm just starting.
Yeah, I'm just starting.
Do you mind taking out the trash?
Do you mind taking out the trash?
It is getting really full.
It is getting really full.
Gentle tone, stay here. This matters. Delegate the task. Sure, I can do that.
Sure, I can do that.
I will take it out to the dumpster right now.
I will take it out to the dumpster right now.
And then I will sweep the kitchen floor.
And then I will sweep the kitchen floor.
Most people drop here, push through the pressure. Thanks, I appreciate the help.
Thanks, I appreciate the help.
Let's get this done quickly.
Let's get this done quickly.
That was clean. You shared the work. I turn on the hot water.
I turn on the hot water.
I grab the sponge and the dish soap.
I grab the sponge and the dish soap.
I start scrubbing a greasy pan.
I start scrubbing a greasy pan.
Now it starts to feel real. A small accident. My hand slips.
My hand slips.
The soapy water splashes everywhere.
The soapy water splashes everywhere.
All over the counter and onto my shirt.
All over the counter and onto my shirt.
Oh, great.
Oh, great.
You didn't stop this time. Perfect. I pull off a piece of paper towel.
I pull off a piece of paper towel.
I wipe up the mess on the counter.
I wipe up the mess on the counter.
I throw the wet towel in the trash can.
I throw the wet towel in the trash can.
Switch it. Finish the kitchen. I rinse the last plate.
I rinse the last plate.
I put it carefully on the drying rack.
I put it carefully on the drying rack.
I take a damp microfiber cloth.
I take a damp microfiber cloth.
I wipe down the countertops until they are clean.
I wipe down the countertops until they are clean.
This is where it changes, moving to the next room. Now it is time to vacuum the living room rug.
Now it is time to vacuum the living room rug.
I pull the vacuum out of the closet.
I pull the vacuum out of the closet.
I plug the cord into the wall.
I plug the cord into the wall.
I press the button with my foot.
I press the button with my foot.
It is really loud.
It is really loud.
Few people reach this point without giving up. You handled it. I push it back and forth across the floor.
I push it back and forth across the floor.
I can see the straight lines in the carpet.
I can see the straight lines in the carpet.
It looks so much better now.
It looks so much better now.
I unplug the cord and wrap it up neatly.
I unplug the cord and wrap it up neatly.
Wait, feel that? We're moving to the end. The bathroom is the last thing on the list.
The bathroom is the last thing on the list.
I spray some glass cleaner on the mirror.
I spray some glass cleaner on the mirror.
I wipe it in circles until it shines.
I wipe it in circles until it shines.
I scrub the sink and the faucet.
I scrub the sink and the faucet.
The apartment smells like lemon and bleach.
The apartment smells like lemon and bleach.
Now you're ahead. You're finishing the process. I put all the cleaning supplies back.
I put all the cleaning supplies back.
I wash my hands with warm water and soap.
I wash my hands with warm water and soap.
Almost there. Free flow now. Just speak. I walk back into the living room.
I walk back into the living room.
I look around the entire space.
I look around the entire space.
Everything is finally clean.
Everything is finally clean.
There is no dust and no clutter.
There is no dust and no clutter.
It feels so peaceful in here.
It feels so peaceful in here.
I sit down heavily on the couch.
I sit down heavily on the couch.
I earned a break.
I earned a break.
I am not doing anything else today.
I am not doing anything else today. That felt different, didn't it?
You stayed longer this time.
You've been practicing with us.
This is the English Mint Podcast.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Hannah.
If you felt progress,
There's something waiting below.
not just listening,
Something you can actually use.
take it if you're serious. Tell us, where did it feel easier?
Or where did you hesitate? We read everything.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
See you next time.